Now, I'm sure you've heard or have been told by some people that fertiliser is bad for soil health and pasture production because it acidifies the soil. Now, there's a germ of truth in some of this, in that some fertilisers do have an acidification effect. But soil acidification occurs regardless of using fertiliser, because plants growing in soils actually produce more acid than they do alkali, and so plants growing in soils acidify the soil. It's a natural process. And the more pasture grows, the more acidification occurs. The second big acidification factor is the nitrogen cycle in soils, and this is where the nitrogen fertiliser plays a part as well. But even the clover fixed nitrogen, the nitrogen returned in dung and urine, the nitrogen and brought in supplementary feed, all ends up as organic nitrogen and inorganic nitrogen in the soil, and in that conversion process it leaves acid behind. So the better your nitrogen cycle is cycling, the more acidification is occurring. And so again, we factor that in to a maintenance liming program or a capital program if that's what's required.